Hello students, welcome to my channel, and today in this video I will be teaching you how to handle questions that come your way during the presentation and after the presentation, and also I will teach you preparation that should be done to present the presentation. Alright, let's begin with the video. Prepare for frequently asked questions beforehand to answer quickly. Always be prepared with frequently asked questions because this will help you to answer them quickly. Alright, be confident. Always be confident while presenting a presentation and never give the sign of nervousness to the audience. Give to the point answers. Now, this is really very important. Always give to the point answer and never exaggerate or go out of context. Watch your body language. Your body language says a lot. And you are confident or nervous, that can be depicted by your body language. So, always keep your shoulders parallel to the ground and always stand straight. Maintain eye contact. It is really very important to maintain eye contact with the crowd or with an individual who is asking you some question during that time. Be friendly with participants. Always show a friendly behavior towards the participants of the presentation. Do not lose your cool. By this I mean don't get rude. Always answer politely or interact politely with the audience. If you do not know the answer, say you will get back. Now this is very frequently asked question, that how to reply when you don't know the answer to some question that is asked in the presentation. Always say to that person, I will definitely get back to you. Or you can say, at this point, I don't know the answer to this question. I will definitely get back to you. Alright, now let's come to preparation for the presentation. So, how you can prepare before or during the presentation, before the arrival of the crowd, I mean. Do rehearsal before the final day of presentation. Now, always after you are done with the preparation of the presentation, do rehearsal, dress rehearsal, record yourself so that you are able to find the flaws in yourself and improve on it before the final day. Maintain notes which contain flow of your presentation. Always maintain the notes side by side while you design the presentation, because this will be really helpful for you when you present the presentation. While practicing, record your presentation and improve on it. Record your presentation and think that virtual audience is sitting in front of you listening to each and every word that you are uttering from your mouth. So that you can find out the flaws that you are making while presenting the presentation and improve on it beforehand. Do time management. It is very important to keep the track of time. Gather all the essential materials. Always gather all the essential materials with you where you are going to present the presentation. Arrive early at the venue to check everything is working correctly. Wherever you are going to conduct your presentation, always arrive early. I mean 1 or 2 hours before the arrival of the audience, so that you can give one demo rehearsal or you can check everything is working correctly. Always charge your laptop before going to the venue. Run and rehearse your presentation before the participants arrive. Dress suitably. Always dress suitably. Interact with participants before starting the session. Okay, as the audience arrive, so before starting the session with them, always interact with them. Just show friendly behavior towards them. Give an ice-breaking introduction. Check on your tone and pace. It is very important to keep check on your tone and pace. You should not sound rude to the audience, and your pace should be medium. Don't go too fast or too slow. If you go too fast, it will be difficult for audience to understand you. If you go too slow, then audience can sleep during your presentation. Now, may I ask you something in return of this video? Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.